Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to help you how to understand how Klarna interest works. Let's get into it. First, check the different payment plans. The first step is to look at the choices the app gives you for paying back your money. Some choices are free, while others might cost a little bit more. Look at the screen when you go to buy something and see the pay in full or monthly choices. Notice if the plan says no extra cost or if it lists a small percentage of money next to it. Because you need to know which path you are taking. You have to pick a plan so the system knows if it needs to add extra fees or not. Without this step, you might choose a plan that adds a few extra dollars each month without realizing it. Next, understand the extra fee percentage. You need to know that the interest is just a small amount of extra money you pay for the chance to pay slowly over a long time. Look for the number with the percent sign next to the monthly payment. Understand that if you pick a long plan, like 6 months or a year, the system will add this small fee to your total, because it helps you see the true price of your items. By looking at this number, you are seeing the cost of borrowing. It ensures you understand that the longer you take to pay, the more those small extra fees can add up. Compare this new total to the original price of the item you are buying. By seeing the final total, you are getting a clear picture. It is the key step to getting the right output and deciding if the extra fee is worth it for the convenience of paying slowly. Set a reminder on your phone to pay your monthly bill and make sure the money is in your bank so the app can take the payment automatically. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.